What's going on? This your boy B with the beard, and the truth lives here. On this episode, I want to talk about 5 lightweight beard oils that will transform your beard. All right, not only will it help transform your beard, but it would help keep your beard moisturized. It would help soften your beard, and it would help you to avoid any product buildup. And this is really, really great if you have low porosity hair. So make sure you guys go watch that video that I did to help test your beard hair. Now, full disclosure, you definitely have to try things to see if it works for you or if it does not work for you, because ingredients, products work differently for each and everyone's beard. Now we got that out the way, let's get right into it. Number 1, jojoba oil. All right, make sure you put that in your toolkit. Number 2, argan oil. Number 3, sweet almond oil. Number 4, macadamia oil. And number 5, grape seed oil. These are some lightweight oils that you can use, put in your toolkit, or if you're using different products, you can see if they have these different types of ingredients in the product that you are using. With that said, this is your boy B with the beard. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Make sure you guys leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe. And also, one thing, hit the thumbs up, the like. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Like always, this is your boy B with the beard, and I'm out.